What's up everybody, Dr. Mike here. We're talking weight loss, and let's be real, who doesn't want to shed a few pounds, feel more energetic, and rock that confidence? Now, I'm a big believer in science-backed solutions, and today, we're diving into a simple 2-ingredient drink that has the internet buzzing. What if I told you this simple concoction could supercharge your metabolism, crush cravings, and melt that stubborn belly fat? Stick around, because number 3 will shock you. Okay, so we're talking about green tea and lemon, 2 ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now. But don't let their simplicity fool you, they pack a powerful punch when it comes to torching calories.
You see, green tea is loaded with something called EGCG, a potent antioxidant that's been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. And here's the kicker. EGCG works synergistically with caffeine, another natural compound found in green tea, to amplify those fat-burning effects. We're talking 24/7 calorie burning, even while you're at rest.
Imagine sipping your way to a faster metabolism. It's like giving your body's fat-burning engine a serious upgrade. Now let's talk about lemon, the tangy superhero of our weight loss drink.
Lemons are a gold mine of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to help break down fat cells. Think of them as tiny warriors, fighting those stubborn fat stores and helping your body flush them out. But here's where things get really interesting. When you combine lemon with green tea, you create a fat-burning powerhouse. The polyphenols in lemon actually enhance the bioavailability of EGCG, making green tea's fat-burning power even more potent.
It's like a 1-2 punch to those stubborn fat cells. Chapter 3, the shocking truth about cravings.
Let's face it, cravings are the arch nemesis of any weight loss journey. But what if I told you this simple drink could help you conquer those cravings once and for all?
Here's the shocker. The sour taste of lemon actually plays a trick on your brain, instantly curbing those sugar cravings that can derail your progress. Think about it. When you taste something sour, your brain associates it with unripe or spoiled food, triggering a natural aversion. This simple trick can be a game changer when it comes to resisting those sugary temptations. Plus, green tea is naturally low in calories and sugar-free, making it the perfect guilt-free beverage to satisfy your thirst without sabotaging your goals. Chapter 4, Detoxify for faster results.
We all know that a healthy liver is crucial for weight loss, right? Well, lemon steps in again with its detoxifying superpowers. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps your body flush out toxins.
When your liver is overloaded with toxins, it can't function at its best, which can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. But here's the beauty of it. By adding lemon to your green tea, you're giving your liver a helping hand. The vitamin C in lemon helps neutralize those harmful toxins, freeing up your liver to focus on what it does best, burning fat. It's like giving your body's internal cleaning crew a serious boost, paving the way for faster and more efficient weight loss. Chapter 5, Double Down on Hydration, Beat the Bloat.
You guys know I'm all about staying hydrated, and it's especially crucial when you're trying to lose weight. Drinking enough water helps boost your metabolism, keeps you feeling full and energized, and flushes out those toxins we talked about. But let's be real, plain water can get a little boring, right? That's where our green tea and lemon combo comes in. This refreshing drink not only tastes amazing, but also helps you stay hydrated throughout the day.
The citric acid in lemon actually helps stimulate saliva production, keeping your mouth feeling refreshed and preventing that dry mouth feeling that can lead to dehydration. Plus, the combination of green tea and lemon can help reduce bloating, giving you that flat belly look you're after. So there you have it, folks. The shocking truth about green tea and lemon for weight loss. This simple 2-ingredient drink can help you turbocharge your metabolism, destroy fat stores, conquer cravings, detoxify your body, and stay hydrated, all while tasting delicious.
Want to take your results to the next level? Here's a pro tip. Drink this 30 minutes before your workout. Why? Drop a lemon in the comments and I'll spill the science.
Smash that like button if you're trying this today, and tag a friend who needs a metabolism boost.